Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed 2.1 exercise. So before 2.2 exercise and basic operations on sets, we should discuss now. So first one is union of sets, and second one is intersection of sets, and third one is difference of sets, and fourth one is disjoint sets. So these basic operations is very important, and these four types are related to 2.2 exercise. The first one, what is the union of sets? Let us consider A is the one set, B is the one set. So union means denoted by this symbol. Union denoted by this symbol. This is called as cup or union symbol. This is A union B. So what is the A union B? Why should do this operation? So once we according to the example, first we will discuss. One, two, three, and B containing 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A set containing 1, 2, 3 and B set containing 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you find the, so example 1, find A union B. So what is the A union B? A union B equal to A set contains 1, 2, 3 and the union B set contains 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the meaning of A union B? Means all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. So consist the A union B. All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B also. So it can be written as 1, 2, 3. All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B. 3, 4, 5, 6. So according to the sets definition, 1, 2, 3, 3 2 times repeated here. So already we know that a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects means only distinct elements only will be and separated by commas. Already earlier we discussed here. So 1, 2, 3 2 times repeated. So one time only we have to write, and 4 and 5 and 6. So A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the elements of in the A union B. What is the set builder form of A union B? What is the set builder form means? A set contains X such that X belongs to A. Every element of A union symbol O or R, X belongs to B. So this is the set builder form of A union B. So this is the one of the example only using elements. This is the union of sets. Next one is intersection of sets. Intersection of sets means intersection symbol can be written as, so consider two sets. A is the one set and B is the one set. A intersection B means this symbol is called as cap, cap or intersection. So intersection symbol A intersection B. So example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B set contains 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the A intersection B? Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B means A intersection B equal to, so A set contains 1, 2, 3 intersection 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the A intersection B? A intersection B means set A set intersection B set. Intersection means compared to these two sets which are common elements in the both sets, which are both set in both sets which are common elements. So that is the A intersection B. So which are common elements, and 3 also repeated here. So A intersection B equal to 3. So what is the set Boulder form for A intersection B? X such that X belongs to A using that symbol, and X belongs to B. So this is the set Boulder form, the form of. Next, coming to the third part, difference of sets. Difference of sets means difference symbol. Already we know that difference means subtraction. Subtraction means A difference B means minus symbol we have to use, minus. So it's read as A minus B. A minus B. For example, consider two sets. So A equal to same elements 1, 2, 3, and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the A minus B? A minus B. A minus B means, according to the definition, A minus B means which are A minus B, the set contains for example 1, 2, 3 elements are there, and B set contains 3, 4, 5, 6 are there here. So first we have to write 1, 2, 3 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. The elements belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. So minus B there not here. So does not belongs to set B. So this is we have to remember. So which elements are there here? 1, 2, 3. Here also 3, 4, 5, 6 are there here. So only 3 here also there, here 3 here also there, and 4, 5, 6 not repeated in set A. So only set contains all the elements belongs to set A. So that is called as A minus B. So which are left here? 1, 2. And 4, 5, 6 does not belong to this set. So according to the set Boulder form, A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X does not belongs to B means in the B set which are elements are left, so those are inadmissible. Only in set containings which are there, that is only A minus B, that elements only required for X belongs to A. So according to the set Boulder form here, A minus B. And fourth one coming disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means, example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, and let us consider, and B equal to 4, 5, 6. In A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. So disjoint sets means what is the A intersection B for intersection disjoint sets. Intersection means 1, 2, 3 intersection 4, 5, 6. So here according to the intersection means common elements only we are taking here. A intersection means in both sets which are common elements, that is only we wrote here. So which are common elements are there here? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. No common elements. So that's what we have to write here. So disjoint set intersect A intersection B equal to 5. For the disjoint set, this is the concept for basic operational sets. Union of sets, intersection of sets, and difference of sets, and disjoint sets. Okay, in a previous class already four basic operations we discussed. Here now exercise 2.2 first one. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. These two we have to find. Are they equal? Finally, this value and this value equal or not we have to check. So first of all, given sets. So given sets means A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So first one, A intersection B. So what is the A intersection B? A intersection B means A intersection B. Already in previous class we discussed here. What is the A intersection B means? In set A and set B, which are common elements, that is only A intersection B. So A value is 1. So given sets A set and B set, first we have to find the A intersection B. A intersection B means A set A intersection. What is the set B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So which are common elements in the both sets? So common elements are 1, 2, 3 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. So common elements in both sets. So A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3. Next, B intersection A. B intersection A means, so what is the set B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection set A. Set A means 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the intersection? Same common elements. Common elements means 1 and 1. Next 2, 2. 3, 3. 5, 6 and 4 different. So A intersection B we find, and next B intersections also we find, and are they equal? Are they equal means A intersection B same 1, 2, 3 same elements, and B intersection A also same elements. B intersection A. So are they equal means yes. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So this is the first one. So next, second one. A equal to 0, 2, 4. So first you write here given set. A equal to 0, 2, 4 and find A intersection pi and A intersection A and comment. Finally we have to say. So first of all, A intersection pi. A intersection pi means, so what is the A set? A set contains 0, 2, 4 and intersection and pi. Pi means null set. Null set means empty set, no elements in that. So which are common elements here? 0, 2, 4, here no elements. So finally we can say pi only. Therefore A intersection pi equal to pi. This value. And second one, A intersection A. A intersection A. A intersection A means, so A contains 0, 2, 4 and intersection, and set A contains 0, 2, 4. Intersection means common elements. Which are common elements? 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. So 0, 2, 4 means same. Finally what we got here? A only. So A intersection A equal to A. So A intersection pi equal to pi, A intersection A equal to A. In exercise 2.2, 1 and 2 sums we did. Same problems we have to do 2 times in next class, and I will check. This is the homework file.